Hello, what's up, and welcome to yet another video. And today we are not going to be reviewing any anime figures, but instead of that, we are going to be reviewing this. This is a $2 microscope. Yeah, as the name suggests, this is a $2 microscope. It's definitely something that only kids use, but I decided to use it anyway because it has a bunch of interesting promises. I mean, it has like, yeah, see, microscope, yeah, so you can zoom in like 300 times with this thing. The company that made this is Beness. I have no idea what that says. No idea what that says either. Don't know what that says either. It's made in China though. Yeah. So all this is Japanese. I have no idea what it means. So we're just gonna take a look at it. Right. This normal packaging is all wooden. So let's take a look what we get inside this box. There you go. This is the things. These are the things that we will get. We got ourselves our sampling glass. Let me see if that's the glass called. So the main unit itself. There you go. This is the main unit. The main unit, the microscope itself, and we got ourselves another sampling glass. I guess this is to prop it like so you'll be able to view on the microscope. They're like acrylic though, they're not glass, so safer for children and safer for people who are like clumsy, like yours truly, me everything. So we got ourselves like a bunch of like warnings here. Bunch of warnings. There's like some kind of art we put there. So apparently this dumbass, this guy over here, he tried to use a microscope and tried to shine it on the sun. What the hell? Why does he do that? Well, I don't know why is he doing that. I don't know why it's dangerous. So whatever it is, don't ever shine that light to the sun because it can probably kill you. So yeah, those are the promises that this thing gives you. You'll be able to look at green stuff and yellow stuff and that stuff by using this microscope. So I don't know if it's right, I don't know if it's wrong. So this is like the manual. Apparently it does come with a manual. It's pretty interesting. No idea what it says there. No idea what it says there either. What? So those are the battery packs. Apparently this comes with your own built-in light. What? This little girl over here, she's explaining something that I cannot read. Because that's not the language that I know. What? No idea what that means. Well, I have no idea. It seems that there's like some kind of interesting what's this microscope? Maybe kids can use them. I mean, obviously you can just use a Google Translate to get all these things understood, right? I mean, like, come on, it's not that hard. Man, kids in Japan, they are getting themselves like this $2 microscope. I mean, literally every single children in Japan can afford them. No wonder they are like so smart because these things is like so cheap there. Well, everywhere else, a microscope is probably gonna cost us like $50 or something. It's not something that your parents are ever gonna buy for you. So what do we got inside here? So in this thing, we got ourselves a tubing thing, a pipette thing, and a gripper thing. The spinster thing. I don't know what's called. Whatever. You really don't need that. This looks pretty low quality for children. The only thing that we care about in this is, of course, the microscope itself. So yeah, this is the Dulce della Fresce. I wonder what that do. Okay, so yeah, that is the 300 one, and this is the 150 one, and that one is the 50 one. Yeah. So light comes from here, and then it is reflected up there, so you're able to see it through this scope. And it also comes with a built-in light. If I put it like so, the light on the bottom will shine through, and if I turn it at the back, and the light from the front will shine through, so it will shine on through your sample, right? So this is the so this is the sampling thing. There you go. Just snap this place. You can use this thing over here to zoom in and zoom out and to focus, obviously, so you're able to take a look at your sample. So I really don't want to shine the light through there. You can probably take a look here. Hopefully you can see something. I doubt it though, but we actually does see something. So let's see what will get us. Let's see if this is gonna work. You guys see anything? I see that. No, I don't see anything. Anyway, I don't know what are we supposed to be focusing on anyhow. Maybe this one will do fare much better, huh? Because the light came from the bottom, right? There you go, now we get some visuals. What the hell are those things? No idea. Probably it's some speck of dust. It's a bunch of dust. Alright. So there's the 300 one. So let's take a look what we're able to see on the 150 one investigation. What will 150 give us? Show us a bunch of that stuff. Okay. What will 50 show us? More that stuff. More. Yeah. So yeah, it works. Not that bad. I think the lens is really great. It's a good toy for your kid. A toy that actually works. You can also use it for like your own lab. If $100, $200 microscopes cost too much, you can just get yourself one of this $2 microscope, right? Yep. So it's not that bad, I must say. I mean, you can see the whole thing through the camera, right? You already see it. So if you're impressed by that, and if you do found this being sold on eBay, remember the name of the company is Benes. You can just go to this review and make your own mind if it's a decent purchase for you to make. It runs LR44 times 3 volts. You're gonna have 2 of those things so you'll be able to operate the light. Yep. So that is it for my review of the Benes $2 microscope. If you fancy this, go ahead and get it. It will be a good toy for your child. Definitely. So I guess thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time in another video. And I will leave you this video with me struggling with a video of me struggling to put this thing back, because I ain't be playing with it, right? So yeah, go get it. It's a pretty decent thing. It's perfect gift for your child for Christmas or something. Give him like a $2 microscope. It only costs like $2. You're not losing much. Not missing much. Okay, why doesn't this thing fit properly? What the heck? What's going on here? There you go. Now it fits. I'm struggling there. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Remember, it's a 300 times microscope, and the name of the company that made is Benes. It only costs $2. Your child is going to love you forever for it. See you later.